Hey hobby heads, Adam from Metro Hobbies here. Gonna run you through today a list of all the Bandai restocks and all the new goodies we have. Let's check it out. All right, hobby heads, let's get stuck into everything that I have here to show you, and there is a lot to go through. I'm very excited. All right, we will start off with down the front. We have some real grades in stock. We have had a good restock of the classic RX-78, the first real grade, a very solid kit for their first outing. Underneath that, we have a fantastic Unit 0 from the rebuild of Evangelion movies. Comes with the DX positron cannon, which is really quite cool, very nice set, and they stand quite tall compared to a lot of the 144th Gundam, so really nice to have those in the collection. Batman stuff, we have plenty of Batman stuff that has come in. 3 different variants of the Batmobile. You have the classic 1980s Batmobile, everyone's favorite. Also the Tumbler from the Nolan trilogy, which is really quite awesome. And the latest, the Batman Batmobile, which is a very mean piece of machinery. I do love that. And all those kits are quite solid in 35th scale. They look great if you want to pose them along the new figurized amplified Batman kit. They go great if you want to have those in the background. And that figurized amplified Batman kit is something else. I fell in love when I built that kit. It is so good. So many opportunities for awesome panel lining, but I'll be having a review for that one. It's that enjoyable that I had to have a review for it. So we'll do that one afterwards. We have master grades back in stock. We have some of the Endless Waltz series. We have the Heavy Arms, Death Scythe, and Sandrock. As you can see, I've got the Sandrock down there with its little Catra Rababa winner figure. All these kits are fantastic. Master grades, they're what I would call the standard master grade. They all have the similar internal frame, different armor pieces over the top to give them their distinctiveness. They all have their own little gimmick, and they are really, really good, especially when you get all 5 of them, pose them together. Really quite awesome. The F91 2.0, that kit is amazing. I have reviewed that kit before. To have it back in stock is so good. It's one of my personal favorite master grades we've ever done. A bit smaller for a master grade, but it really shines through with its details. Absolutely fantastic. We have in high grades, the Psycho Gundam. One of the biggest high grades you can get your hands on. Thing is a beast. And if you love Zeta Gundam like I do, you will have a joy posing that alongside all the other figures in the series. Towers above them all, but you can have some epic battle scenes between that and the Mark II. Really quite an awesome kit. Pokemon. Rowlet, the latest release in the Pokemon range. Rowlet Gen 7. It is so adorable. I would put it up there with the Sleeping Eevee and the Oshawott. Very, very cool, very adorable. I mean, it's an adorable little owl. You can't go wrong with it. As for more high grades, we have had a big restock of the Gundam Breaker Battlelog series. What do we have? We have all different kinds. We got the Sky Zero, which is a really quite an awesome kit based on the Wing Zero, obviously, different color palette. All these kits do use previously released kits, but they do put their own unique spin on them, which is really quite cool. The Goof Crimson Custom, which is more like the Goof Custom, everyone's fan favorite, if it was in Shah Aznabul's colors. Really quite cool there. We have the Urban Combat type, Ground type Gundam. The RX 79 Ground type is a fan favorite. To have it in an urban combat color is really quite cool. It's a very good set. I would have liked them to do something along the lines of an Easy 8 as well, but you know, maybe when they do a second series of that. And we also do have the Blazing Gundam. That is based on the God Gundam. Uses many of the same parts. The kit is fantastic. The God Gundam that it was based on, the high grade of that, was absolutely awesome. Lots of articulation, so to have that in a new color scheme with some awesome tonfa as well is really quite cool. Entry grade, the new Gundam. My personal favorite Gundam. In entry grade, I have that little bad boy set up there. So much articulation in such a small package for such a low price. They are so good. I haven't even panel lined that thing yet. It took me about 20 minutes to build and they come out absolutely fantastic. This is the first to use a small sticker sheet, but it is just for Amuro Ray's emblem on the shield and on the shoulder. Fantastic. Like I cannot recommend entry grades enough. Don't even need any tools to build them. Like they just pull straight off the runners with the touchgate technology. Absolutely fantastic. Now, for our Kamen Rider fans, we have something a bit different. We're going into the Showa era. So stepping away from the Heisei stuff, I know there's been some awesome releases in the Heisei era, but the Showa riders get their chance to shine with, well, my favorite out of all the Showa era riders, that is Black. Minami Kotaro, Kamen Rider Black. This kit is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to actually sit down and build it. Figurized standard, so you know you can expect quality. They have limited the stickers as much as they can in that kit, which is fantastic. Very much looking forward to sitting down and possibly even doing a review on that one. I love it that much. The Lancelot Albion, fantastic kit, something from the Code Geass line, which we haven't seen for quite a while. It is a really good, really colorful kit. You see colors in there like the red swords, the nice gold on there that you don't often see in many high grades. And it is very poseable. A great silhouette. You can strike some really mean poses with it. Absolutely fantastic kit, and I can't wait to see if they do other ones down the line. And we'll finish it off with another master grade, that being the restock of the Freedom 2.0. Folks, this has been a long time coming, but we have finally got them back in stock. Get them while you can because they are going fast, and I do not blame them. This is possibly one of the best master grades ever made, the 2.0 of the Freedom. I mean, the Freedom is one of the most favorite Gundams of all time, and you can't really blame people for liking it. It is an absolute beast of a machine with all its extras that it comes with, the wings that are also the rail guns. It's all so amazing. The panel lining opportunities on that kit are amazing. The stickers are fantastic. Even though they're not water slide, you get some really good stickers in that thing. It comes with its own action base, which is really good. Yeah, all in all, it is a very highly poseable, very fun kit, and it is one of those kits that you just have to get and build and really experience it because it is a joy. One of my favorite master grades. I'm not even that big a Seed fan, but it is fantastic. I do love it that much. And that about wraps it up, guys. Thanks for spending a bit of time with me going through all our awesome restocks here at Metro Hobbies. If you're after any of this stuff, check out our website, metrohobbies.com.au. Swing on by our stores if you're in Melbourne, Box Hill and the CBD. And of course, if you want to come down and have a chat Gundam, or you need any info, ask for Adam. I can definitely help you out with that. And we do have plenty of other stuff around and about, experts to help you out. So yeah, check us out and we'll catch you next time. Thanks, guys.